I'm very often the people asking me how I convinced the business to this approach. And it's actually interesting because, the FICO was the first who made a scorecard. And I guess that many decades when it was, this first scorecard was developed, there were also setting the smart risk managers saying that, the scorecard is not good enough because their expert rules and their judgmental decisions are good enough, and some scorecard will not bypass it, will not improve it. And today everyone is using the scorecards and it is not discussed anymore. And I think it is the same upgrade with the optimization. So going from this like rule-based things, which we still have in our policies, in our pricing based on the single analysis, you upgrade to the modeling, as it was before switching from single rules in lending strategies to the scorecards. Now, in fact, we are switching from single scorecards to the modeling approach with the optimization.